Jai Srimanarayana, 15th sloka of first chapter Bhagavad Gita. Panchajanyam Hrishikeso Devadattam Dhananjayah Paundram Dadhmau Mahasenkham Bhimakarma Vrukodaraha. When we are the part of a team, we need to do our job with enough patience and very systematically. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message in 18th chapter saying that please come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Let us now give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall do my job very systematically, having enough patience. O Sriman Narayana, I shall come to you, surrender to you alone. Karishye vachanam tava. I shall do as you say. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana introduced himself to Bali Chakravarti, and then Bali Chakravarti asked, O Brahmanottama, what can I give you? Like that, when he asked, Vamana asking like this, O Bali, padani trini daityendra sammitani padamama. I just need 3 feet of land. That 3 feet is equal to my own 3 feet. Nanyatte kamaye rajan. I do not want anything more than that. You know what? Asking anything more than that I required, that I need, is also a sin. That is why, O Bali, just give me 3 feet of land. Vonti vada nakun ఒకటి రెండడుగుల మేర ఇమ్ము సొమ్ము మేర వొల్ల కోర్కెన్ తీరన్ బ్రహ్మ కూకటి ముట్టెదన్ దాన కుతుక సాంద్ర దానవేంద్ర. O Bali, you have so much of enthusiasm, eagerness to do charities. Such, O Bali, I am just by myself, I am alone. I need only 3 feet of land. And if you just give me that, if you sanction that, how much I feel happy, I feel happy as if I have touched the head of the Chaturmukha Brahma. To that extent, I would feel very happy the moment you sanction 3 feet of land. Like that, Vamana asking Bali Chakravarti. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishnena Amarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 15th sloka. Panchajanyam Hrishikesaha Devadattam Dhananjayaha Paundram Dadmau Mahasenkham Bhimakarma Vrukodaraha. Panchajanyam Hrishikeso Devadattam Dhananjayaha Paundram Dadmau Mahasenkham Bhimakarma Vrukodaraha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.